Hello everybody, Keely O'Brien here. I am so excited to show you my Christmas books for this year. We've got a blue Nordic Christmas to cut out and collage, and you can tell what it's going to be, a pink Nordic Christmas to cut out and collage as well. And they're very similar. I've done them along the same lines. So you can choose if you're a blue person or if you love pink. Or if you love pink and blue, obviously you can go with both. So you can get these on Amazon. I've published some other books as well, which you can see here. These were last year's Christmas offerings. That was myself and Nicole from Relax Cut Glue did our Christmas Ephemera book. And did I put the pink Christmas? No, I didn't. There's a crafty Christmas rather as well, which I didn't put on there. Oh, it's here. Need to put my glasses on. There we go. That's the crafty Christmas book that I did last year, where all the things I like knitted or felt. Just so you know, that's what those images are going to be like. That's why it's called a crafty Christmas, and the pictures on the front are all clearly crafty. Yeah, so those are my other books, but here we go. I'm going to give you a quick flip through of this one. And there's all kinds of sort of Norwegian and Swedish influences in here, and I've put a real range of sizes as well. So these are great for like artist trading cards, ATCs or twinchies, or just very small Christmas like tags, stuff like that. Here is my collage. I always do a collage in my ephemera books because I just love playing with the images. And also it gives a bit of inspiration, and you can see a little taster of what's to come. So yeah, I've started putting links on QR codes in here. So you just hold your phone's camera over here, and then it just pings you a little link which you tap on, and it'll take you straight to whatever the link is. I can't remember, I think that one goes to YouTube, or it might go to my Amazon shop. I've forgotten now, I'll have to scan it and find out. But anyway, I did write down here, I'd love a review if you've got time to do that. It makes an absolutely enormous difference to me. I can't even tell you. You know what it's like, you go on Amazon, you see something's only got like 5 reviews, you think, oh, that can't be terribly good. You see something's got 250 reviews and you think, God, that must be amazing. But actually, you know what it's like. Sometimes the reviews aren't always a good guide to these things. But anyway, right, I'm going to show you all my gorgeous images. Like I say, I've put all sorts of sizes in here. There's nothing too huge, but you can see these are probably the larger of the images. And these would be just great for Christmas cards. I'm definitely going to be making my own Christmas cards again this year. I was very influenced by a holiday that I was very fortunate to go on in 2 years ago to Vienna. And we went to the Christmas markets, and there were all these gorgeous little stalls selling like Christmas decorations and all kinds of things, gifts, glass blowing, crafty stuff. And these were really a bit of a memory of mine to the beautiful glue vine that we were drinking as well. So it was really, really cold in Vienna. It was about 0 degrees. And anyway, there we go. So food and drink were very, very important on that holiday to us. So we wanted to enjoy all the Viennese treats and delicacies, and we had some great meals out and had a wonderful time. So I really wanted this book to sort of harken back to my time in Vienna. Yeah, I know it's not a Nordic country and these are Nordic images, but just that gorgeous Christmassy crafty vibe. So we've got bells, and I've done a lot of characters in this book because I think they do appear an awful lot in people's crafts, having a focal point like that, or a little character. And there's lots of Santas, and I know that people who buy my books love their animals. So we've got robins and foxes, owls. I put some of them in circles as well, just to make them easier to cut out, because a lot of the designs are really fiddly. So Also, I've done some sort of arch shapes which could make amazing tags or even tiny Christmas cards if you cut them out and mounted them. You'd have to mount them because on the back you have these patterns which I think are absolutely stunning, but you need to maybe use those for other stuff if you're not partial to the pictures on the other side, or if you've got big areas left over. There shouldn't be too many big areas because I do try and squeeze in as much as I possibly can in the smaller spaces here so as not to waste paper, and so you guys get your money's worth. Okay, so here we have lots of gorgeous little Christmas parcels, and look at these beautiful polar bears and wolves, foxes, huskies, that's the word I'm looking for, huskies, and some lovely, I love my handmade stuff, so there's some really cute handmade looking straw decorations, and there's cute little ladies there. And what book would be complete without some tags? So we've got a few of those and more of these arches for your tags, for Christmas cards and so on. Lots and lots of lovely candles, go with all kinds of things. And these beautiful Nordic horses and these lovely patterns. They're actually the patterns from the back of here, and I've made them into little heart-shaped Christmas decorations, which are very popular in the northern European countries and probably everywhere else as well. So we couldn't go down the Nordic route without some gnomes. So here we go. And the spoons. Now, I grew up with some Norwegian girls, and their family, the family members who were back in Norway, did a lot of crafting, and a lot of their crafting involved painting on wooden plates and spoons. And so really that was a nod to my beautiful friends who had a house with lots of decorative Norwegian art on the wall. And there was always more after every Christmas when their relatives visited. So obviously we've got to have a Christmas tree. And in fact, there's a few different sizes. That's one of the bigger images in the book. Christmas stockings and bows and cute little iced biscuits. Love those. Now, I thought some of these tinier images would be great either for ATCs or twinchies, obviously, or you could cut them out and use them to stick down your Christmas card envelopes or to seal down the ends of a parcel or something like that. I think it would be just so sweet to give somebody all of their gifts and their card all matching and using this book. It'd be fun and somebody special. They'd have to be worth it to go to all that trouble. But you would just find so many great combinations in here to be able to do that. And lots more parcels and little babushka ladies. Cute little reindeer. Ah! Super cute. And lovely little Nordic villages. And lots of stars. They're easy to cut out. You can use those for building up possibly collage or junk journal images. Now, these cats are just to die for, aren't they? They're super cute, and I've even included some little mice and puppies, but just look at his face. He looks so pleased with himself, and they're wearing sort of Nordic Aran style jumpers, I suppose. I would say they look like Aran jumpers, sweaters. And obviously we've got some more Santas and more bows and Christmas tree decorations. There's just so much in here that you can play with. And I've got all of these drinks as well, because what Christmas would be complete without something hot to warm your tum and to get excited for and get in the Christmas spirit. And here we have some gorgeous stockings and Christmassy wreaths. It might be a bit more challenging to cut out some of these, like this one. You don't have to cut all these leaves out. You could just cut right up close to the edge if you wanted to. And Christmas jumpers, there's more of those to come. Now, I thought these angels were just so pretty, so I wanted to include those. Look at their sweet little faces. We've got some lanterns and some lovely landscapes as well, which might be good backgrounds for what you're creating with this book. Okay, so we've got church glass, stained glass windows, and these cute little, aren't they just adorable? And the candles as well, very Christmassy candles, and some more little babushka girls, and a few more Santas. How adorable is that image? I'd really want to have that perhaps somewhere around my house, maybe make a decoration and hang it up, or put it amongst other things in the blue theme, perhaps a garland or something like that, or even a Christmas tree decoration, although it is quite large. And I've got some more here. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, I had so much fun making this book. It was just, I was on a bit of a race to get it all done. I was having so much fun putting it all together. There's lots of parcels, Santa and his cute little reindeer. Hasn't got a red nose because it's a blue book, but might have been Rudolph, who knows. Okay, so more pretty Nordic ladies, and look at this sweet little guy. Might be a girl, who knows. Okay, here we are. Here are the jumpers and mittens. Aren't they just so sweet? Now, I made the blues in this book quite a sort of Nordic blue, so that hopefully everything will tone together nicely. You can see the kind of blue that it is. Hopefully the camera will pick up the sort of blue we're talking about in this book. It's not a baby blue really. It's a little bit more, slightly more teal and turquoisey, I would say. Anyway, I'm going to do a separate video for this book. It's very similar, but obviously everything's pink. So come back and see that one very soon. Okay, right, I've got to go. Take care, guys. Don't forget to check out my Blue Nordic Christmas book on Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.